Okay, dear students, all of you know we are discussing. What are we discussing? Yes, we are discussing MCQ question on chapter Trigonometry, Introduction to Trigonometry of your Standard 10 Math for your class 10. Okay, and for your unit test exam. I hope all you are improving, all you are doing hard work for the examination. Okay, and so I am trying my level as far as possible to help you in this regard. I hope you will find some help from me, okay, and that will be helpful for your exam, okay. And here is a question I am going to discuss for you. The first question is that, and if sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x, then x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 is option A cos theta, option B sec theta, option C sin theta, and option D cot theta. Okay, let's see. And it is given that sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Is it clear? Okay, solution. Now you have to find out x square minus 1 divided by x square plus 1. Okay, now you can use the values of x. In place of x you can write sec theta plus tan theta. Yes or no? So in place of x write sec theta plus tan theta whole square minus 1 and sec theta plus tan theta whole square plus 1. So in place of x, okay, here x is replaced by sec theta plus tan theta. Is it clear? Then give the division sign. Okay, let's see. And here sec theta plus tan theta whole square. Okay, can I use the identity a plus b whole square? Okay, which is, so sec theta plus tan theta whole square, we have to use the identity a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So according to this formula, it will be sec theta plus tan theta whole square, it will be sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Yes or no? Okay, so in this place sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta and minus 1. Let us write minus 1. Similarly here in the denominators you see sec theta plus tan theta whole square, same. So sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta plus 1. Okay, understand or not? Okay, is it clear? Next step, what you have to do? Yes, here you have to arrange sec square theta minus 1. Let us write sec square theta here. So here you write minus 1 because we know sec square theta minus 1. One formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. And you see sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. And sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Yes or no? You can use this identity, use this formula here. That's why sec square theta, and this you write minus 1, then plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Is it clear? Similarly, you write here sec square theta here plus, you see tan square theta, you write plus 1. Here write tan square theta, then you write plus 1. Why? Because 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. Okay, So plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Understand? So that implies, okay, you see, write down sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Can you write plus tan square theta plus sec theta into tan theta? Understand? Similarly, you write sec square theta plus and 1 plus tan square theta. We can use the formula what? 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. Can you write? Yes. So plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Understood? Understood now? Okay. Is it clear? Understand? Okay. Now let's see. So up to this, is it clear, all of you? Okay. Look at here. You see tan square theta plus tan square theta. Can you write 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta into tan theta? Similar process, sec square theta plus sec square theta. You see now, sec square theta plus sec square theta. What? What? 2 sec square theta. Yes or no? Yes. Plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Understand? Then here you see 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Can you bring the common factor? We can bring the common factor 2 tan theta. Yes or no? So it will be 2 tan square theta. Out of 2 tan square theta, 2 and tan theta, one of the tan theta has been taken. So it will be tan theta plus sec theta. Similarly, here we can bring the common 2 sec theta from here and 2 sec theta from here as a common factor. So it will be, so 2 sec theta as a common factor, it will be sec theta plus tan theta. Understand? Understand or not? Is it clear? Okay. So you see now, tan theta plus sec theta, and it will be cancelled, and here 2 will be cancelled. After that, tan theta upon sec theta or tan theta, I can write tan theta into 1. So tan theta into, you see 1 upon sec theta, what? Cos theta. Reciprocal of sec theta is cos theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. Right? So tan theta means you can write here sin theta upon cos theta. You can use the formula into cos theta. Yes or no? Okay. So after that, here you cos theta can be cancel. After cancellation, you will get the value is sin theta, and this is the answer. Okay. So you see now, sin theta means, which is the correct option here? Yes. Here, what is the correct option? So C is the correct option. Understand or not? Here, the option is C. Sin theta. Understand? Okay. Okay. Okay, next question is if x is equal to a sin theta and y is equal to b tan theta, then the value of a square upon x square minus b square upon y square is option A 0, option B 2, option C 1, and option D 1 upon 2. Right? Okay. Understand? So let us find the solution. Which is the correct option? Let us see. Here x is equal to a sin theta given and y is equal to b tan theta given. Very simple. And in place of x you use the value in the given expression. Now it is given a square upon x square minus b square upon y square is equal to, see, a square divided by, in place of x I can write a sin theta whole square, which is a square sin square theta, yes or no, minus b square divided by y square in, okay, the value of y given b sin theta, y is equal to b tan, y is equal to b what, tan theta given, y is equal to b tan theta. So in place of y I can write okay, so y is equal to b tan theta, so in place of y square I can write b square tan square theta. Can I write? Yes. Okay, so understand. So here x is equal to a sin theta, in place of x a sin theta, so x square will be a square sin square theta. Similarly y given b tan theta, so y square will be b square tan square theta. And after you see a square and a square we can cancel, and here b square and b square we can cancel, understand. So it will be 1 upon sin square theta what, 1 upon sin square theta what, cosec square theta, minus, you see here 1 upon tan square theta formula is cos square theta, understand. And all of you know, according to the identity, cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1, understand. Okay, so the value will be 1. This is the required answer, and the correct option is, what is the correct option? The correct option is C is the correct option. Hence the option is C, which is 1 answer. Is it clear? So another simple question for you, okay, not a problem, but most frequently come this question, so take care this question, okay. So my next question here for you, and which I am going to explain, okay. And if x is equal to r sin a into cos c, y is equal to r sin a into sin c, and z is equal to, and z is equal to r cos a, then option A, r square plus x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 0. Option B, r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. Option C, x square is equal to r square minus y square plus z square, and y square is equal to r square plus x square minus z square. Option D. So which is the correct option? Understand? Which is the correct option? Let's see. Okay, and here you understand, you see now, and x is equal to r sin a cos c, y is equal to r sin a sin c, z is equal to r cos a, z is equal to r cos a. Understand or not? Okay, now let's see, x square plus y square plus z square. Let us find. In place of x it is r sin a into cos c, so x square means r square sin square a into cos square c plus y square means r square sin square a into sin square c, because y is equal to r sin into sin c is given, plus, and z square, z value is given what, r cos a, so if you squaring it will be r square cos square a. Understand? Is it clear? Now let us see. So you see now, r square sin square a into cos square c plus r square sin square into sin square c plus r square cos square a. So you see in the first and second term, can you bring the common r square? You see r square is a factor of the first term and r square is a factor of the second term. Similarly, what is the other factor we can bring as a common factor? Here we see carefully sin square a, here also sin square a. So sin square a is the common factor, so can be taken as a common factor. So r square taken, sin square taken, it will be cos square c. Yes or no? Plus here r square taken, you have taken r square, then sin square taken, it will be sin square c. Understand? So it will be r square sin square a and cos square c plus sin square c value sin square theta plus cos square theta. Yes or no? So sin square theta plus cos square theta. Yes or no? What is the formula? Yes. What is the formula? Yes. What is the formula? Value is 1. Yes or no? So in place of cos square c plus sin square c can written 1. So that is, here is another factor also, they are plus, you write. Here r square sin square a cos square c plus r square sin square a sin square c. First term and second term is simplified. Here r square, you have to write also cos square a. Yes or no? So you see now here cos square c plus sin square c is 1. So it will be r square cos square a. Again you see r square also can be taken as a common factor from here and here. So after that it will be sin square a plus cos square a and r square sin square a cos square value 1. So into 1, so it will be r square. Hence we got r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So which is the correct relationship between x, y, z and r? Which is the correct relationship? Yes. B is the correct answer. Hence option B. Option B. Understand? Okay. Okay, just you follow it. So question number 4. Question number 4 is that if cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0, then sin alpha minus beta is option A cos beta, option B sin alpha, option C sin 2 alpha, option D cos 2 beta. Let's see. Okay, so here given cos alpha plus beta is equal to 0 and we know cos 90 degree 0, cos 90 degree, not sin 90 degree, cos 90 degree, cos 90 degree 0. So cos can be cancelled or not? So that implies alpha plus beta how much? 90 degree. So that implies alpha is equal to 90 minus beta. Can be written or not? Understand? Now you write sin alpha minus beta. Okay. So sin in place of alpha you can write 90 minus beta. Okay. And that is called to sin 90 minus beta is 2 beta. And you know sin 90 minus theta. Yes. Sin 90 minus theta what? Cos theta. So here cos 2 beta. Hence we got sin alpha minus beta is equal to cos 2 beta. Understand? So here the option is what? Hence the option is what? D. Option is D. Option D is the correct option. Understand? Okay. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Question number 5. Let's see. If cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to m and sec theta minus cos theta is equal to n, then the value of m square n whole to the power 2 by 3 plus mn square whole to the power 2 by 3 is option A 3 by 2, option B 2 by 3, option C 3 and option D 1. Okay, understand? So what is given here, students? Cosec theta minus sin theta is equal to m. Okay, so you see now cosec theta can written formula 1 upon sin theta. minus sin theta. Let us simplify first. Let us simplify. And after taking the LCM, LCM will be sin theta and it will be 1 minus sin square theta is equal to m. So 1 minus sin square theta formula what? What is the formula 1 minus sin square theta? 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Yes or no? Okay. So cos square theta by sin theta is equal to m. Understand? Thus we get the value of m is simplified. So m value is equal to cos square theta divided by what? Sin theta. We got the value of m. Okay? Understand? Similarly, sec theta minus cos theta. Sec theta minus cos theta. Sec theta minus cos theta. Cos theta, yes. Cos theta is also in similar manner. Let us simplify exactly. So sec theta, what is the formula of sec theta? And sec theta is the reciprocal of what? Reciprocal of cos theta. Okay. So sec theta can be written 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta. Minus cos theta is equal to n. So that implies after taking the LCM, LCM will be cos theta 1 minus cos square theta is equal to n. So that implies 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta by cos theta is equal to n. So here we got the value of n. We got the value of n is sin square theta by cos theta. Is it clear? Understand? Okay. You see here 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta what? 1 minus cos square theta formula is sin square theta. Yes or no? Okay. So it will be sin square theta by cos theta, which is 1, which is n. So n is equal to sin square theta upon cos theta. Okay. Understand? Is it clear? Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's see here. The given expression is given. You have to find out the value m square n whole to the power 2 upon 3 plus mn square whole to the power 2 upon 3. What is the value we have to find out? Yes, we have to find out the value of the given expression. Okay, so m square, here m means cos square theta by sin theta, so m square means it will be cos to the power 4 theta by sin square theta into the value of n is what? You see here m square, m is given cos square theta by sin theta. So m square will be squaring on both sides. It will be cos to the power 4 theta upon sin square theta. Similarly, n value what? Sin square theta divided by what? Cos theta whole to the power what? 2 upon 3 plus. In the same manner, we can write m. The value of m is cos square theta upon sin theta. Can you write? Yes. And n square is equal to, you see n given sin square theta upon cos theta. So n square will be squaring on both sides. And if you squaring n, it will be sin square theta whole square. It is sin to the power 4 theta. And cos theta whole square is cos square theta whole to the power 2 upon 3. It is given. Understand? Is it clear? Okay. Now you see, and we can cancel here sin square theta can be cancelled. Here cos theta will be cancelled. It will be what? 3 cos q theta. Similarly, cos square theta will cancel. Here sin theta will be cancelled and it will be sin to the power 4 theta. It will be sin q theta. Okay. So here you see now cos q what? Theta whole to the power 2 upon 3 plus, here is what? After cancellation, it will be sin q theta. Yes, sin q theta, which is 2 upon 3. Understand? Now you see cos to the power cos q theta whole to the power 2 by 3. It will be cos theta whole to the power what? 2 by 3 into 3 into 2 by 3 plus similarly you can write sin theta whole to the power 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, understand? Here we can cancel 3 we can cancel, and here 3 we can cancel. After that, okay, it will be cos theta whole square, which is cos theta whole square. What is that? Cos square theta plus sin theta whole square. It will be sin square theta. Is it clear? So cos square theta plus sin square theta, yes, is equal to what? All of you know 1. Okay, understand? Hence here the correct option is what? D is the correct option. Hence we got, okay, the answer is option D. Okay, understand? Is it clear? Okay, so here question number 6 for you I am going to explain. Okay, another interesting question for you here. If a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to m, and a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to n, then m square plus n square is option A square plus b square, option B a square minus b square, option C a square plus b square divided by a square minus b square, and option D a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square. Okay, understand? So you see, now you have to find out the m square plus n square in, okay, and here the value of m is given and value of n is given. Directly we can use the value, substitute the value. So n square plus n square, and that is equal to, in place of m I can write a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. Yes, in place of m. In place of n we can write a sin theta minus b cos theta. Okay, whole square. Understand? Is it clear? Now you can apply the identity a plus b whole square here and a minus b whole square here. Okay, here a plus b whole square, yes, a square plus b square plus 2ab, and here a minus b whole square, you can use a square plus b square minus 2ab. You can use this identity here. Okay, it is clearly visible. So here you see a cos theta plus b sin theta. Here the first term is a cos theta, so square of the first term is a square cos square theta. Understand? A square cos square theta plus similarly b square sin square theta plus yes, plus we can write plus 2ab a square plus b square plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. Understand? Plus similar manner, here you see a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square. Here the first term is a sin theta. Okay, so its square will be a square sin square theta. Similarly, plus second term is b cos theta, so its square will be b square cos square theta, and minus 2ab a square plus b square minus 2ab, so it will be minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. Okay, understand? Is it clear? So it will be plus 2ab sin theta cos theta and minus 2ab sin theta cos theta can be cancelled. Yes or no? Can you cancel? Yes. So here you see, let us arrange. You see a square cos square theta, look at here, plus b square sin square theta after cancellation. The remaining terms are plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. You see a square plus a square cos square theta can be arranged to a square sin square theta. Similarly, plus b square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. Understand? So here you bring the common factor a square. Here a square is a common factor, and after bringing common factor, and it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta plus, here is the common factor b square. Okay, so b square can be taken as a common factor. It will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. So after that we shall get, what will I get? So here will get a square plus, here cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So a square into 1 is, according to multiplicative identity, the value will be a square. Similarly, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So b square into 1 is what? B square. Okay. So now let's see which is the correct option. We got the answer here. Yes. Thus we got what? Hence we got n square plus n square is equal to a square plus b square. Here you see a is the correct option. Hence option A. Yes or no? Option A is the correct option. Understand? Okay. Yes. Okay, question number 7 for you. Okay, and here the value of the expression sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta is option A 0, option B 3, option C 2, and option D 1. Okay, understand? Should find out the value of the required expression of the trigonometric expression. Okay, here. So what to do here for that? Here students, we know an identity. What identity do we know? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, students. Use this concept. Okay, and take the cube on both sides. Okay, take the cube on both sides. Okay, after that you will see sin square theta plus cos square theta, what? Whole cube, and it is equal to 1 or cube how much? 1. So taking cube on both sides, okay, so here you take the cubes on both sides by finding the cube. Now here is sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube. Here you can apply the formula of a plus b whole cube. What is the formula of a plus b whole cube? Is, yes, it is a cube plus b cube plus, yes, 3, yes, 3ab whole into a plus b. Yes or no? This formula I can use here. Yes? Understand? So you see now sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube, and it will be sin square theta whole cube. It will be, so a cube. The first term is sin square theta. So the cube of sin square theta is sin to the power 2 3 is 6 cube 6 theta. Sin to the power 6 theta. Similarly, plus second term the cube means cos cube square of cos square theta whole cube, and it will be cos to the power 2 multiplied 3 is 6 theta plus 3ab, 3 into what? A sin square theta into cos square theta whole into a plus b. Here a is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Understand? Is it clear? Okay. Okay. And equal to what? 1. This is equal to 1. Is it clear? Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole cube is equal to 1. And here after expanding, okay, left hand side we got sin q to the power sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta whole into sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so that implies now sin to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta into cos square theta is equal to, you know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so it will be value is 1 also. Okay, understand? Okay, so this is the required value. So which is the correct option? Here D is the correct option, hence we got option D. Option D is 1. Okay, understand? Yes, this is question number 7 I am discussing for you. Okay, is it clear, students? Okay, yes. So question number 8, another interesting question, MCQ question, okay, for you. Okay, here question is that if a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c, then a sin theta plus b cos theta is option A plus minus a square plus b square plus c square root over option B plus minus a square plus b square minus c square root over option C plus minus a square minus b square minus c square root over, and option D is plus minus c square plus a square minus b square root over. Okay, so which is the correct option you have to find out here. Understand? Let's see how to do. Yes, it is given a cos theta minus b sin theta is equal to c. Then the value of a sin theta plus b cos theta we have to find out. Understand? Yes, how to do? Can you help me please? Yes, how? Okay, so here you will use the concept a cos theta minus b sin theta minus b sin theta. Okay, it is given, let us take whole square, and another expression is given a sin theta plus b cos theta, a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square, finding the square. Okay, here as look at this specific question for you, a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square, here a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square. Is it clear? Then we have to use the formula of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Here you see now a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square, here first term is a cos theta, so it will be a square cos square theta. Yes, plus similarly b square sin square theta square of the second term, so a minus b whole square, it will be minus 2ab. Okay, so 2ab, and it will be sin theta into cos theta after finding the identity, after using the formula is a minus b whole square. Similarly, you see a sin theta plus b cos theta, plus sign give a square sin square theta square of the first term and square of the second term, which is b square cos square theta. So a square plus b square plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. Yes or no? Okay, understand? Okay, yes. So here you see minus 2ab sin theta and cos theta and plus 2ab sin theta and cos theta. Can you cancel? Yes, yes or no? So after that you arrange. Here you see a square cos square theta. You see here plus a square sin square theta plus b square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. Understand? Okay. You see now a square, can you take the common as a square? Yes. So a square whole into cos square theta plus sin square theta. Here we can take the common as b square as a common factor. It will be b square whole into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. So here a square whole into cos square theta plus sin square theta plus b square whole into sin square theta plus cos square theta. Here cos square theta plus sin square theta, already know the value is 1. So this value will be a square plus b square, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So this value will be 1. So this value also will be 1. Okay, understand? So you see now, look at here, a cos theta minus b sin theta. Value already we have taken c. This value already taken. Yes or no? Yes. So this value already taken that. Yes. This value already taken. A cos theta minus b sin theta is c. So in place of a cos theta minus b sin theta, we can write c square plus. Understand? Okay. Then a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square is equal to a square plus b square. Already got? Okay. So in this place a cos theta minus b sin theta, can you write c? So c square plus a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square, okay, is equal to a square plus b square. Can you write? Yes. So you see now a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square, you will how much? A square plus b square minus c square. Okay. Yes or no? Understand? So after that we can use here. So a sin theta plus b cos theta whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. So it will be a sin theta, hence a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to plus minus a square plus b square minus c square root over. Understand? So we got the a sin theta plus b cos theta. The value is plus minus a square plus b square minus c square root over. So here the correct option is, yes, the correct option is B is the correct option. So here option is what? Understand? Okay. Okay. So here another simple question for you I am bringing here. Question number 9. Okay, MCQ questions of your class standard 10. Okay, this is question number 9 I am discussing here. And here question is that if cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, then sin square theta plus sin to the power 4 theta is, okay, option A is -1, option B is 0, option C is 1, option D is 2. Understand? Okay, you see what is given. Cos theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 is given condition. So you can write, students, and using this condition, so cos theta can return what? 1 minus cos square theta. Can we transpose? So cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. What is the formula? 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So student, always remember, whenever you are using this formula, that formula you should write down on the right side. Understand? Okay. So 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So if you're squaring on both sides again, so cos theta whole square is cos square theta, and it will be what? Sin to the power 4 theta. Sin to the power 4 theta. Understand? Now let's see, it is given sin square theta plus sin to the power 4 theta. Yes, you have to find the value. Here sin square theta. Look at students, here sin to the power 4 theta is what? Cos square theta. So in place of sin to the power 4 theta, just you replace the value cos square theta. Okay. So in place of sin to the power 4 theta, so let us write cos square theta. Understand? So sin square theta plus cos square theta value already we know 1. Yes or no? So which is the correct option? Yes. Which is the correct option? 1. Yes, C is the correct option. C is the correct option. Hence option C. Option C is the correct option. Understand? Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Okay. Question number 10 for you here. So let's see. Another simple question for you here. Okay. So if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to t, if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, then the value of tan square theta plus cos square theta. Here the option is, first option is A, the option B is 1, option C is root 2, option D is 1 upon root 2. Okay. So here given that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Understand? Simply you have to find out tan square theta plus cot square theta. So it is clearly visible, you have to squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay, because you have to find out both sides. Because you have to find out tan square theta plus cot square theta. So after squaring on both sides, you will see it will be tan theta plus cot theta whole square. And 2 row square it will be what? 4. Square of 2. Here you apply the formula a plus b whole square, which is tan square theta, yes, plus cot square theta, identity, plus 2 tan theta into what? Cot theta. The value is what? The value is 4. Okay. So that implies tan square theta plus cot square theta. You see now 2 tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta and cot theta, the product of tan theta and cot theta is 1 because tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta and vice versa. So you know tan theta into cot theta is what? 1. Yes or no? So it will be plus 2. The value will be 1. This value will be 1. So into 2. That implies 2 multiplied 1 is 2. So it will be 4. Okay. So that implies tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. So here option is what? Which is the option? Option A is the correct option for you. Hence option A is the correct option. Understand? Okay. So this is the question number 10 for you I discussed. Okay. Another simple question for you. Okay. Understand? So let's see how the process we are doing the MCQ question. Okay. Understand? And also you practice in the similar manner. Okay. For your exam. Okay. I hope you'll do the best. Okay. So question number 11 here we are going to discuss. Okay. So if tan theta is equal to 1 upon root 7, then the value of cosec square theta minus x square theta whole divided by cosec square theta plus x square theta is option A 5 upon 7, option B 3 upon 7, option C 1 upon 12, and option D 3 upon 12. 3 by 4. Option B is 3 by 4. Okay, understand? Is it clear? Yes. So let's see this question. So one of the trigonometric ratio is given, tan theta is given. So tan theta is given is equal to 1 upon root 7, and you know tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base, P by V. So we can compare here, P is equal to 1. Okay, you see the P can be compared to 1, yes or no? And B can be compared to 7, root 7. B can be compared to root 7. Okay, so let us find out H. H is equal to, using the Pythagoras theorem, which is P square plus B square root over. Here we see 1 square 1 plus root 7 whole square is 7. 1 plus 7, 8 root over is 2 root 2. 2 root 2. We got, okay, understand? Now let us see the cosec theta. Cosec theta is what? H upon P. Here hypotenuse 2 root 2 and perpendicular is what? 1, which is 2 into root 2. Okay, and sec theta is equal to H upon B, perpendicular by adjacent side, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay, here cosec theta is S upon P and sec theta is hypotenuse by base. So okay, so here hypotenuse is 2 root 2, and what is the value of base? Base is root 7. Understand? Okay, so you have to use this value in the given expression, right? Okay, is it clear? Then you have to find out. Let's see, here given cosec square theta. Cosec square theta minus sec square theta whole divided by cosec square theta plus sec square theta. Understand? So you see now here, in place of cosec square theta, I can write cosec theta is 2 root 2. So cosec square theta will be 2 root 2 the whole square, which is 8. Yes or no? 2 root 2 the whole square. 2 root 2 the whole square. You see, root 2 the square what? 4. Root 2 the square is 2. So it will be 8. Okay. Minus sec square theta. And sec square theta means what? You see, 2 into root 2 by root 7 whole square. So it will be 2 the square 4 into root 2 the square 2, root 7 the square is 7. Okay, understand? And similarly cosec square theta plus cos square theta value also 8 plus 8 by 7. So you calculate it and you'll get the value. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so let's find the value here. You see now here you see 8 minus 4 to the 8 upon 7. Here 8 plus 8 upon 7. Understand? So here 8 and 8. You can look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Okay. And you see, we'll take the LCM is 7, and 8 7 is 56 minus 8. And it will be 56 plus 8 upon 7. Understand? And 7 7 will be cancel. So it will be 56 minus 8. 6 minus 8, 16 minus 8 is 8, and 48 divided by how much? 6 8 is 14 is 64. Okay, understand? Is it clear? 56 minus 8 is 16 minus 8 is 8, 48. 56 plus 8 is, okay, 8 6 is 14, 4 carry 1, and it is 64. So you can cancel here. 8 6 is 48, 8 8 is, and here 2 3 is 2 4 is. The answer is 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 is the correct answer is D. Okay, so the correct option is D. Understand? So here option is D. Here we got option is D. D option. Okay? Understand? So question number 12 we are going to discuss here. Okay? So what is the question number 12 is that if tan square 45 degree minus cos square 30 is equal to x into sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree, then the value of x is option A is 2, option B is minus 2, option C is minus 1 upon 2, option D is 1 upon 2. Okay? Understand? Is it correct? Let's see. Tan square 45 degree is given. So here you have to remember trigonometric identity of the angle 30 degree, 45 degree. Then you can use the value. If the value should be used correctly. Understand? Okay. And one short trick already it is discussed. How to remember mathematical trick of the trigonometric ratio of angle 45 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. Already it is discussed. You can go through once again. Okay. So here tan square 45 degree. What is the value of tan square 45 degree? Tan 45 degree already you know 1. So 1 square is 1 minus cos 30 degree. Here cos 30 degree root 3 upon 2. So cos square 30 degree will be root 3 by 2 whole square. Here x into sin 45 degree 1 upon root 2. Yes or no? And cos 45 degree is also 1 upon root 2. Is it clear all of you? Is it clear? Yes. So you can use the value, you can get the value of x here. Root 3 square 3 upon 4 is equal to x divided by root 2 and root 2 is 2. So here you getting 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 4 is equal to x upon 2. So that implies x is equal to 2 upon 4. Yes. And it is equal to 1 upon 2 after cancellation. Hence we got x is equal to 1 upon 2. So which is the correct option here? Yes, which is the correct option? So option D. Option D. Option D is the correct option. 1 upon 2. Okay. Understand? Okay, all of you. So question number 4. Next question. Next question is question number 13. Sorry, we are discussing question number 13. Okay. Here, if 5 theta and 4 theta are acute angles satisfying sin 5 theta is equal to cos 4 theta, then 2 sin 3 theta minus root 3 tan 3 theta is option A 1, option B 0, option C minus 1, option D 1 plus root 3. Right? Understand or not? Let's see. Okay, here given that the sin 5 theta is equal to cos 4 theta. Yes or no? Yes or no? So we can write sin 5 theta can be written as sin what 90 minus 4 theta. 90 minus 4 theta. Understand? 90 minus 4 theta. Okay, so here sin and sin will be cancel on both sides. So 5 theta is equal to how much? 90 minus 4 theta. Here you see minus 4 theta will be transposed, it will be plus 4 theta, and 5 theta plus 4 theta is 9 theta. So 9 theta is equal to 90 degree. So theta is equal to how much? 10 degree. We got the value of theta now. Understand? Now use the required expression. Okay, and here you find out 2 sin 3 theta minus root 3 tan 3 theta. You have to find out the value. Okay, so you write 2 sin 3 theta here. Theta is 10 degree, so 3 theta will be 30 degree here. 10 theta. Okay, so 10 multiplied 3 is 30 degree minus root 3. Similarly, here it will be also 30 degree. Understand? So you see 2 into sin 30 degree value is 1 upon 2. All of you know. Minus root 3 into tan 30 is also 1 upon root 3. All of you know. Okay, root 3 can be cancelled, 2 can be cancelled. Here 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Hence B is the correct option. Hence option B is the correct option. Okay, so option B is the correct option. Understand? Okay, so option B is the correct option. Understand? So question number 15 we are discussing. Okay, here, okay, so I hope all of you will see these classes and you will practice also. Okay, and you'll find the usefulness of the concept. How the trigonometric ratio are so much easy and for you. Okay, which you find it difficult. Most of the students used to think that trigonometry is a very difficult chapter. Okay, so if you enter one by one, if you understand the concept, you will learn the the right formula, what kind of right formula you can use. Okay, and proper practice, adequate practice, then trigonometry will be very much easy for you. Okay, understand? So let's see this question. If sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x, and then sec theta, okay, option A, x square plus 1 upon x, option B, x square plus 1 upon 2x, and option C, x square minus 1 upon 2x, and option D, x square minus 1 upon x. Okay, understand? Okay, so let us find out what is given, dear students. You see, and sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x given, and we know a identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to what? 1, all of you know. So you can use the formula a plus b and a minus b, which is sec theta plus tan theta whole into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Understand or not? So here sec theta plus tan theta value given x, so x whole into sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Understand? So you can value find sec theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 upon x. Okay, understand? Okay, so you given sec theta plus tan theta. What is given? Given x. Can you add? Suppose this is equation 1 and equation 2. Let us add these two equations. Okay, and after adding to this equation, you will get, you see, minus sec theta plus sec theta will be cancelled, and sec theta plus sec theta is 2 sec theta, and it will be 1 upon x plus x, which is, if you take the LCM, it will be x 1 plus x square. So that implies sec theta is equal to x square plus 1 divided by 2x. So x square plus 1 upon 2x. Okay, you see, and here x square plus 1 by 2x, and here B is the correct option. So option B is the correct option. Understand? So option B. Is it clear? Understand? Okay, and this is the question number 15 for you. I discuss here. Okay. Okay, here another interesting question, question number 16. Okay, and here 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta root over is equal to option A sec theta plus tan theta, option B sec theta minus tan theta, option C sec square theta plus tan square theta, and option D sec square theta minus tan square theta. You have to find out. Okay, here the given expression 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Okay, understand? Okay, let's see now. Here we see 1 plus sin theta whole into 1 minus sin theta. Okay, now let's see, 1 minus sin theta is the denominator. Let us find out the conjugate factor or rationalizing factor, which is 1 plus sin theta. So same is multiplied also in the numerator. Understand? Okay, now you see 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, that is called what? Yes, 1 plus sin theta whole square. and here 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, it will be 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, understand? Again you see 1 plus sin theta whole square, and 1 minus sin square theta formula is what? Cos square theta, all of you know. Okay, now you see 1 plus sin theta whole square root over, which is what? 1 plus sin theta, and divided by cos square theta. Cos square theta, square root sign is there, it will be cos theta. So 1 plus sin theta by cos theta, it will be 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. And you know 1 upon cos theta is what? Sec theta, and sin theta plus cos theta is tan theta. Okay, this is the required value, and here the correct option is, which is the correct option here? Here sec theta plus tan theta we got the value, and this value is what? A is the correct option. Okay, so option A. Option A. Okay, understand? So if this type of problem is coming, just you remember it, and you have to multiply the rationalizing factor of the denominators in the numerator as well as the denominators, and you will simplify using the suitable identity and also using the suitable formula. Okay, so another interesting question number 17 for you, I am going to discuss here. Okay, I hope you are looking forward, and I will be very much happy for your patience to watch the class, for your benefit, okay, and for your understanding. Thank you once again. So the value of 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta whole into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta is option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, and option D 0. Okay, understand? So let us find the solution. Here the given expression is that 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta whole into 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta. Understand? See here, you see 1 plus cot theta. Cot theta can be written, students, cos theta upon sin theta minus, and cosec theta can be written 1 upon sin theta. Yes or no? Similarly, 1 plus tan theta can be written sin theta upon cos theta plus, and sec theta can be written 1 upon cos theta. Yes or no? 1 upon cos theta. Understand? So now let's see, take the LCM. Here it will be sin theta. Understand? So you will be sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Yes or no? And similarly the LCM is cos theta, and it will be cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Understand? Okay, now let's see here, cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta, okay, minus 1. Similarly, cos theta plus sin theta can be written also what? Sin theta plus cos theta. Here value is what? Plus 1. Sin theta into cos theta what? Sin square theta. No, sin theta into cos theta, it will be sin theta into cos theta. Okay, understand? You see now sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 whole into sin theta plus cos theta plus 1, and we can use the identity A minus B whole into A plus B, which is the first term is sin theta plus cos theta, so it will be sin theta plus cos theta whole square, and minus 1 square is 1, and denominator is sin theta into cos theta. Okay, understand? Is it clear? Okay, so again you see here sin theta plus cos theta whole square can you write sin square theta A plus B whole square, A square plus cos theta whole square is cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here is given minus 1, write down minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. Understand? Okay? Is it clear? So here you can apply sin square theta plus cos theta by cos square theta value what? 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. So here plus 1 minus 1 will cancel. Understand? So after that you will get, you see 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here 2 sin theta into cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. So cancel, it will be 2. And which is the correct option? Here B is the correct option. Okay? So option B. So option B is the correct option. Okay? Understand? Is it clear? Okay. So next question is question number 18 we are discussing for you. Okay? And here the question is that if x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta, then b square x square plus a square y square is option A square b square plus option B ab plus option C a to the power 4 b to the power 4, option D a square b square. Okay? Understand? Let's see. And here given x is equal to a what? Cos theta. Understand? Okay? See here given x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to b sin theta. What is the value of b square x square plus s square y square? Here you see x, one of the factor is b. So let us multiply. Look at here, it is given x is equal to a cos theta. Here b square x square. So b is one of the factor. Let us multiply bx. Both sides. So it will be cos theta. So multiply b on both sides here. So it will be bx is equal to ab cos theta. Similarly here given y is equal to b sin theta. Okay? So here one of the factor is a. So multiply a on both sides here. So ay is equal to what? ab sin theta. Understand? Now let us bx is equal to ab cos theta. Here multiply b on both sides. Here we multiply a on the both sides. Okay? Here bx is equal to ab cos theta, and after multiplication of a on both sides, ay is equal to ab sin theta. Now squaring. Now b square x square is equal to a square b square cos square theta. Similarly, squaring ay is equal to ab sin theta, squaring on both sides will get a square y square is equal to a square b square sin square theta. Let us add. Suppose this is equation 1 and suppose this is equation number 2. Let us add. Okay? And after adding both the equation will get b square x square plus a square y square is equal to a square b square can be taken common. It will be cos square theta plus sin square theta. Because we are adding this RHS, a square b square will be taken common. It will be cos square theta plus sin square theta. So that implies b square x square plus a square y square. So it will be a square b square, because cos square theta plus sin square theta already you know the value is 1. So a square b square is the option A is the correct option here. Hence option A. Okay? Option A is the correct option. Okay? So question number 19 I am discussing here. Okay? Understand? So another MC question number 19. You see, and it is given if a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to 4 and a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to 3, then a square plus b square is option A 7, option B is 12, option C given 25, option D is 16. Okay? And it is given that a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to 4. The expression is given. A cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to 4. Understand? And here given a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to 3. So what is the value of a square plus b square? Okay, and suppose this is equation number 1 and suppose this is equation number 2. Okay, here you see the square is coming, a square plus b square. So it is, say, a common idea is coming. Can you square on both the equation 1 and equation 2? Now squaring equation 1 and equation 2 on both sides. Okay, and here we get a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square is equal to 4 square is 16. And similarly squaring the equation 2, we shall get a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square is equal to 3 square is 9. Understand? Okay, now a cos theta plus b sin theta whole square. Okay, and now add equation 1 and 2. You will get a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab what? Sin theta into cos theta. Similarly, a sin theta minus b cos theta whole square, after expanding it will be a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta, and the value will be 16 plus 9, which value will be 25. Understand? Okay, you see, now you see here clearly plus 2ab sin theta cos theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta can be cancelled. Okay, understand? Then you bring the common here, a square cos square theta plus a square sin square theta. Here sin is plus, so you can bring the common as a square, so it will be cos square theta plus sin square theta plus here b square is taken as common factor, it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 25. Okay, now you can clearly see cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1, so the required value will be a square, so this factor will be 1 plus b square. Similarly this factor will be 1 and it is value is what? 25. Okay, so we got the required value. So a square plus b square is value is 25 and C is the correct option. Okay, here option C, we get option C. Option C, this is the question number 19 we are discussing. Okay, understand all of you? Okay, all of you note down this one. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, question number 20. Okay, I must be thankful to you, dear students, for your patience towards the class. Okay, understand? So let's see question number 20, and after that we shall complete this class after this question. So here question is given that if sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then value of sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is 1. Option A is 1 and option B is 3 upon 4. Option C is 1 by 2 and option D is 1 upon 4. Okay, here given sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0 given. Understand? So you see now sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 1. So sin theta can be equal to cos theta. Yes or no? So that implies sin theta by cos theta is equal to cos theta by cos theta divide. So it will be what? Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to how much? 1, and which is tan 45 degree. So tan will be cancelled. So theta is equal to 45 degree. So value of theta we got 45 degree. So can you use the value of theta in the given expression? Okay, and here is given, you have to find out Sin to the power 4 theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. Here sin to the power 4 theta, theta means 45 degree, plus cos to the power 4 theta, in place of theta write down 45 degree. And you know sin 45 degree 1 upon root 2 the whole square whole to the power 4. Similarly cos to the power 45 is 1 upon root 2 whole to the power 4. So 1 divided by root 2 okay, root 2 square root of whole to the power 4, root 2 and root 2 to 2 to the 4 plus 1 upon 4. So it will be 2 upon 4, and this 2 upon 4 will be what? 1 upon 2, and the correct option is what? C is the correct option. Yes. So here you see C is the correct option. Understand? So option C here. Okay. So discuss so many questions for you for your examination. So I am trying my best to help you. Okay. So I hope you will practice it, you will follow it. I hope a better result for your exam. Okay. Take serious and seriously practice all of you. Okay. Thank you all of you for your interest, for watching the class. Okay. So see you for the next class. Thank you. Bye.